Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our lesson today. Remember, we are still in time, and we shall be finishing today time. Here there's a question which is also common in examinations. Here you are told a watch gains 5 seconds every hour. It is set right on Monday 11:45 p.m. At what time will it show the following Monday at 11:45 p.m. So when you see such a question, I said you check the time. The time is the same, 11:45 p.m., 11:45 p.m. And the days are, you are told, from Monday to another Monday. So the first thing you check is the time. So this is p.m. and this is p.m. That's the first thing you check. So the times are same. So once it's like that, now what you do, you count the number of days. Now I say that here. So from Monday to Monday, so told it was set right on Monday 11:45 p.m. and it was gaining. Remember, we learned it was losing the other day. Now this one is the opposite, and I said the procedure is the same. It is gaining 5 seconds. It was set 11:45 this Monday. At what time will it show the following Monday at 11:45 p.m.? At what time will it show now, since it was gaining 5 seconds every hour? So what we say now, we say every 1 hour the watch was gaining 5 seconds. The watch was gaining 5 seconds. Now from Monday to Monday. From Monday to Monday, I say those are 7 days now. Monday to Monday, those are 7 days. Now, and a day has got 24 hours. So what do we do? How many hours are there? So 24 hours multiplied by 7 days. So here you will get 168 hours. The total hours is 168 hours. So if 1 hour it was gaining this, what about 168 hours? Cross multiply. So let us get now how many seconds. So here you say, so 168 hours multiplied by 5 seconds, 5 seconds over 1 hour, hour. You cancel. So 168 times 5 seconds, here you will get 840 seconds, 840 seconds. Now you will change it into minutes now. You change it into minutes now, and we say 1 minute has got 60 seconds now. 1 minute has got 60 seconds. Now let us change now. Let us change to minutes now. 60 seconds now. Cancel by 6 by 6 14 minutes. So which is equal to now 14 minutes. Which is equal to 14 minutes. So the watch was gaining 14 minutes. So now they said what time will it show the following Monday at 11:45 p.m. at 11:45 p.m. So what we do now, it was gaining. Remember, the difference between losing and gaining is here now. Now we don't subtract, we add. Since it was gaining, we add. When it is losing, we subtract now. So let us see now. So 11:45 p.m. plus now 14 plus 14 minutes. Why? It was gaining. So here is 9. 4 plus 5, 4 plus 1 is 5. So here is 1. So it is 11:59 p.m. Here was p.m. So it is 11:59 p.m. So it will show 11. So it has gained 14 minutes now. Instead of the watch showing 11:45 p.m., it showed now 11:59. Why? It has gained 14 minutes now. 7 days it gained 14 minutes. I'm repeating. So you are told a watch gains 5 seconds every hour. Every 1 hour, 5 seconds. It was set right on Monday 11:45 p.m. At what time will it show the following Monday 11:45 p.m.? So what do you do? The first thing you do when the time is p.m. or in m or am, both are in m or both are in p.m., you count the number of days. So from Monday to Monday, I said earlier, those are now 7 days. A day has got 24 hours. 24 hours times 7 days. So in a week we have 168 hours. So if 1 hour it was gaining 5 seconds, what about 168 hours now? Cross multiply. 168 hours times 5 seconds over 1 hour, you will get 840 seconds. 840 seconds, I always say, you change it into minutes now. Divide it by 60, so 14 minutes now. So it was gaining 14 minutes. The 7 days, it gained 14 minutes. Now at what time will it show? The following Monday at 11:45 p.m. You add now. 11:45 p.m. plus 14 minutes it has gained, so it will be now 11:59 p.m. That is now the answer. Now there's sometimes, and also now you see when the time is different. One of the time is AM and the other one is in PM now. So we want to do that one now. It's different from this one now. So let us see a question like that. Here you are told a watch loses 5 seconds every hour. A watch loses 5 seconds every hour. A watch loses 5 seconds every hour. Question 2. A watch loses 5 seconds every hour. A watch loses 5 seconds every hour. You are told it is set right on Sunday. It is set right on Monday. It is set right on Monday, 12:48 p.m. It is set right on Monday, 12:48 p.m. Then they said, at what time will it show? At what time will it show? At what time will it show the following Sunday? The following Sunday. The following Sunday. The following Sunday at 12:48 a.m. At 12:48 a.m. So now it's different now. One of the time is PM and the other one is in AM. So this one is in AM and this one is in PM now. So it's different from the other one. The other one both times were in PM. So if the both times are in PM or AM, so we do the same way. But this one now the time is different. The days are same but the time is different. And this one is also common in exam. So let us see now. What we do now, the watch was set. So every 1 hour, the watch was losing 5 seconds. The watch was losing 5 seconds. That one is the same procedure. So now, the time now, one is in PM and the other one, so it was now losing 5 seconds. So the watch was losing 5 seconds. After every 1 hour, it loses 5 seconds. After every 1 hour, it loses 5 seconds. So now, it was set right on Sunday, 11:48 p.m. What time will it show the following Sunday, 11:48 a.m.? That's in the morning. And this was in the afternoon, evening. Sunday. Sorry. Sunday. So it is set right on Sunday at 11:48 p.m. What time will it show the following Sunday? 11:48 p.m. So what we do now, it is Sunday to Sunday. What we do now, this one, we don't count the number of days. It's different. Why? Because the numbers are not matching. The time are not matching. What we do, we come with a number line now. We use a number line now. This number line. To come with this number line, we say now it was set right on Sunday. It was set right on Sunday. So Sunday, 12:48 p.m. to Monday, 12:48 p.m. That is 24 hours. So Monday to Tuesday, 12:48 to 12:48 p.m. That's also 24 hours. The other one now, Wednesday 12:48, Tuesday 12:48 p.m. to Wednesday 12:48 p.m. That is 24 hours. Wednesday we go to now Thursday. So Thursday now, Wednesday 11:48 p.m. to Thursday 11:48 p.m. is now that is now 24 hours. So Friday now, Thursday we go to now Friday. So Friday 12:48 up to from Thursday 12:48 to Friday 12:48 p.m. That is now also 24 hours. So Friday we go to now Saturday. We go to now Saturday. So Saturday to Friday, which is 11:48 p.m. That's also 24 hours. So Saturday to Sunday now. We go to now Saturday to Sunday. So Saturday 12:48. Saturday to 12:48 p.m. to Sunday 12:48 a.m. now. So they say the following Sunday 12:48 a.m. They have not said p.m. So the following Sunday. So now Saturday 12:48 p.m. to Sunday here 12:48 a.m. That's not 24 hours now. Because this one was PM to PM. So when you see PM to AM, it's not 24 hours, that is 12 hours now. So we have here 12 hours. So PM to AM, 12 hours. Or AM to PM, we have 12 hours. But when we have PM to PM, the following day, that is 24 hours. AM of this day to AM of the following day, so also 24 hours. So when they are AM to AM, the following day, 24 hours. PM to PM, the following day, 24 hours. But the PM to AM, that is now 12 hours. So now, what we do now, we count how many hours are here now. This is 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours, 12 hours we had now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 24 hours, 6 of them. So we say now 24 multiplied by 6 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 24 carry 2. That is 12, 13, 14. 12, 14. 144 plus 12 hours here we add. That is 6, 5, 156 hours. So the total. So when we add 24 plus 12, 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 12, you will get 156 hours. So after getting now 156 hours, we come here, we say now, if the watch was losing every 1 hour, it was losing 5 seconds. Total hours, what about 156 hours? Cross multiply. That's how we do. We cross multiply. So let us see now. So we say now 1 hour multiplied by 156, 5 seconds. 5 seconds times 156 hour over 1 hour. Hour. So here you will get, you multiply now. 156 times 5 now we multiply. So 156 times 5. 30 carry 3. That is 25 plus 3, 28. 8 carry 2, 780. So here you will get 780 seconds. So what do we do now? I said earlier, you change it into minutes now. So 780 seconds, you change it into minutes now. Divided by 60. We are changing these seconds because 1 minute has got 60 seconds now. Cross, you cross the 2. By 2, 3, by 2, 39. By 3, 1, by 3, 13. So here you will get 13 minutes. You'll get 13 minutes. So the same way we did it now. It was now, the watch was losing now. If it is losing, what do? We subtract it now. And when we are subtracting, which time will we use now? This is where the problem is. The time you are using to subtract from these minutes is the last time you are given. They said at what time will it show the following Sunday, such a time. So you will use the last time they mentioned. So the last time they mentioned, they say that what time will it show the following Sunday at 11:48 a.m. So sorry, 12:48 a.m. So the last time they showed they want now is 12:48 a.m. We use that one. Please take care. The 2 times you normally confuses the learners. So we use the last one they are asking. So 12:48 a.m. So it was losing now minus 13 minutes. It was losing. So here you will get 5. Here you will get 3. Here you will get 2. Here you will get this. It was a.m. So it is 12:35 a.m. Instead of 12:48, it showed 12:35. Why? It has lost now 13 minutes for the 7 days. So that's how we do. It's a very good question. I'm repeating. You are told a watch loses 5 seconds every hour. Every 1 hour, the watch was losing 5 seconds. It is set right on Sunday. It is set right on Sunday. 12:48 p.m. At what time will it show the following Sunday at 12:48 a.m. So the time is different. A.m., p.m. to a.m. So when it is now, the time is different. One is p.m. and the other one is in a.m. What we do now, we use a number line to get the number of hours. The easy way, we use a number line. Then I have drawn a number line here. The number line, they start now. You start the time they started setting the watch. They set the watch Sunday 11:48 p.m. So Sunday, the next day is Monday. So Sunday 12:48 p.m. to Monday 12:48 p.m. p.m. to p.m. 24 hours. Monday, then the next day will be Tuesday. So Monday 12:48 p.m. to Tuesday 12:48 p.m. 24 hours. Tuesday, the following day will be The next day will be Wednesday. So Tuesday 11:48 p.m. to Wednesday 11:48 p.m. That is 24 hours. So Wednesday then followed by Thursday. So Wednesday 12:48 p.m. to Thursday 12:48 p.m. That is now 24 hours. So Thursday then we go to Friday. Thursday 12:48 p.m. to Friday 12:48 p.m. is 24 hours. Friday 12:48 p.m. to Saturday we go back up to Sunday because they say the following Sunday. So Friday to Saturday 12:48 p.m. to 12:48 p.m. 24 hours. Saturday 12:48 p.m. to Sunday 12:48 p.m. No, we don't say 12:48 p.m. They say the following Sunday in the morning 12:48 a.m. So now Saturday, this is where the problem is. Saturday 12:48 p.m. to Sunday they say the 12:48 a.m. PM to AM we have 12 hours. PM to AM 12 hours. AM to PM we have 12 hours. So this is 12 hours. What you do now, I have added all the number of hours we have here. 24 hours to plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 12. You will get 156 hours. These are total hours for the 7 days. So now we come here. We say that now 1 hour, the watch was gaining 5 seconds every 1 hour. 1 hour, it was losing. The watch was losing 5 seconds every hour. What about 156 hours? Cross multiply. You will get 780 seconds. You change the seconds into minutes, divided by 60, you will get 13 minutes. After getting 13 minutes now, it was losing now. You subtract. Which time will you use? The last one they mentioned. Do not get confused. So 12:48 a.m. is what they're asking. Minus the 13 minutes it was losing. You get 12:35 a.m. If it is gaining, we add. So that's how we solve that question. It carries marks in examination. So we go to now another question. Here you are told a bus left Mombasa for Nairobi. A bus left Mombasa for Nairobi. Mombasa for Nairobi. A bus left Mombasa for Nairobi. A bus left Mombasa for Nairobi. Then they said at 9:45 a.m. At 9:45 a.m. Then the journey took 7 hours 55 minutes. The journey took 7 hours 55 minutes. Then they said now at what time did it arrive in Nairobi? At what time? At what time did it arrive in Nairobi? At what time did it arrive in Nairobi? Now, we list what we have. A bus left, I said earlier, that is departure time, starting time. So we have departure time. A bus left Nairobi, departure time we have 9:45 a.m. The journey took, the past tense of take is took, so time taken. Time taken, 7 hours 55 minutes. At what time did it arrive in Nairobi? Reach arrival time. That's what they're asking. We don't have. Arrival time, we said earlier, is equals to departure time plus time taken. That's how we get arrival time. Arrival time is equals to departure time plus the time taken. Departure time, we have 9:45 a.m. And then this one, we have 7, time taken, we have 7:55. We add. The adding has a problem also sometimes. 10, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, carry 1. Then here will become 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. We don't write 10 in the minute side. I said when it reaches 6, we say minus 6, carry 1. I said earlier. So 5 plus 5, 10. 10 minus 6, 4, carry 1. Here will become 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17:40. Now we change this one into PM now. 17:40 now is in 24 o'clock system. Minus 12 now, 12 hours. We subtract now. It will become 40. Here will become 5. So it will become 5:40 p.m. 5:40 p.m. That is how we solve. You are told a bus left Mombasa 9:45 left starting time, departure time 9:45 a.m. Time taken took, what they are asking, is equals to departure time plus time taken. 9:45 plus 7:55 hours, you get 17:40. You change into PM now, minus 12, you will get 5:40 PM. So those are good questions. So we shall stop it there for today. I wish you all the best.